Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Garmin Fenix 7. First, let's dive into the core functionality. Your Fenix 7 boasts advanced multi-band GPS, offering superior accuracy, especially in challenging environments like dense forests or urban canyons. We'll explore how to quickly access and customize these settings directly from your watch, ensuring optimal performance for all your outdoor adventures. Get ready to navigate with confidence. Now, let's explore how to navigate effectively. You can easily create and load custom routes onto your Fenix 7 using the Garmin Connect app or download existing tracks. Once loaded, your watch provides clear, turn-by-turn directions, guiding you along your chosen path. For added safety, the Track Back feature allows you to retrace your steps precisely, ensuring you can always find your way back, even in unfamiliar territory. Beyond simple navigation, your Fenix 7 provides a wealth of GPS-driven data. During your activities, you can monitor crucial metrics such as distance covered, current pace, and elevation changes in real time. The watch allows for extensive customization of data screens, so you see exactly what matters most to you. After your workout, dive into Garmin Connect for a detailed analysis of your performance, including maps and comprehensive statistics. To get the most out of your Fenix 7's GPS, consider these optimization tips. Choose the most suitable satellite system for your environment, whether it's all systems for general use or multi-band for enhanced precision. Always ensure your watch has an unobstructed view of the sky for rapid satellite acquisition. Finally, regularly update your Fenix 7 software to benefit from the latest GPS improvements and bug fixes, ensuring peak performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.